Fltc Madagascar Group. Fltc Madagascar dia fianarana teny anglisy amin'ny fomba tsotra sy moraizana zay nampalaza azy hatramin'izay tsy maintsy mahay efa tonga amin'ny Fltc Madagascar.
Hi everyone, I was beginning to start here since 2 months, so if you want to be good at speaking like an American, come to join us.
Hello everyone, my name is Floreo. I'm just one of students at Fltc Madagascar. If you want to be good at speaking, let's join us. Thanks.
Hi everyone, if you want to be like a non-speaker, if you want to pass Madagascar, here's the best method for speaking and learning English in free time. So if you're interested, I invite you to join us on August 2, 2022. Thank you.
Ny toerana misy atsika moa dia eto tsara lalàna galerie 9 3e étage ary Tanambao 5 garoty rabe Tanambao 5 apitany Kofimanga eo no misy ny Fltc Madagascar am 2e étage misy atsika Tamatave. Ny numéro ndray dia 034 23 860 52 034 23 860 52.